Hello everyone, this is Apple AirPod Max. Today I purchased on Black Friday for $399. I bought the Lightning version. The USB-C version is $100 more. And let's unbox it. Here. No Apple sticker. Lightning to USB-C. And that's it. Let's get the Apple AirPod Max with the smart case. I have the space gray one. It's beautiful and it doesn't look heavy. Very premium. It's the cushion. Let's get the case here. Ear cups. This is the crown. This is, I believe, where you put the connecting to Bluetooth. I'm not sure, but this is where you put the volume up and down from the crown. Lightning port. You can adjust. And that's basically it. Apple AirPod Max unboxing. Now to connect AirPod Max to iPhone, you need to press this button, press and hold. Once you press and hold, it's AirPod Max asks to connect, and you're gonna connect. And as you can see, it's gonna show the battery percentage, and you're gonna continue. And they ask to join Apple Music. Not now, I'm gonna skip it for now. And looks like it's connected, AirPod Max. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.